It's here! Here it is! I've been so excited! Look at this wonderful Popsewing box that I got in the mail. I can't wait to open it. Popsewing sells DIY kits. Some of these kits are from purses, bags, or keychains, cute little stuffies, and they are high quality products. So let me take out the DIY kit here, and look, they even gave a free little keychain. It's very cute. Yay! The instructions are here on this QR code, and there's a little bit more information there. Let's go ahead and open up this little bag, and I can show you the details. This is a sponsored video by Popsewing. I'm very excited to be working with them. So the bag of choice that I chose was the Popsewing Top Grain Leather Bicolor Platinum Bag in Peacock Blue. I chose this bag because I really needed a new mommy size bag that would hold a lot of snacks, baby wipes, and my own personal things such as makeup, sunglasses, and my phone and wallet. So a large purse was necessary for me. This bag is extremely labor intensive, and as much as they have done with the semi preparation, you have to do all the sewing parts, which is very difficult if you are not used to doing lots of hand sewing. From the decorative stitching to the actual utility stitching, I had to do it myself. The only stitches that I did not have to do was the ones for the handle of the bag. In this clip, you can actually see me installing the front hardware piece to lock the bag. I have never made a purse for myself like this capacity before. I have modified purses, I have made tote bags, but this is a whole new level. I am doing decorative stitching, I'm installing hardware, I'm following these instructions, and they are so easy to follow and very easy to pause because it is a video. The audio in the instructions provided is in Chinese, but there is English subtitles, so it was very easy to follow. If I had any problems, I made sure to pause and rewatch again before continuing on my own project. This piece right here is both functional and decorative. It's really unique because it gets sewn to the back of the purse and then it goes through these little slots and then it actually has a little hole so it goes on top of the hardware. It's such a unique little design. I don't think I could have came up with this on my own. Something that's really great about this project is that it comes with the holes pre-punctured, so you don't have to work too hard about getting your needle through it. You just have to make sure that your hands can keep going with the hand sewing. You cannot use a sewing machine on this project. It will absolutely not work. Inside your Popsewing DIY kit, they provide a copious amount of string and some snips, so you don't need to worry about scissors. The one thing you do need is some kind of fabric glue or a lighter or flame. That way you can cinch the ends of the string. Now this string is basically a leather cording string. I don't use this on any of my current projects. I've actually can't remember a time that I have ever used this kind of string. Now, I personally had a little bit of a hard time with the handles, but I did make sure to double stitch it and some areas triple stitch it. They gave enough thread, so I did have to cut out my first attempt at the handles and then go back, watch the video a few times, and then resew the handles back on my own way. I am fortunate enough to know some sewing techniques and ways to go around it. There is no wrong way unless you just want to glue it because that's not going to work. So you really do need to have your handles sewn down properly and secure so that way it doesn't fall loose. And I think I was just too in my head when it came to the number of holes and how many holes that one was using in the video. But overall, I would say the hardest part for me was just this part right here of doing the handles. Good luck if you try this project, and let me know if you pick it up in the future. But overall, my handles were very secure after I finished this project, and I'm very glad that it came out just fine. I think I was overreacting, and that happens with most DIY projects. So just remember to stay calm. You have some instructions, and there is a Discord server if you want more help. After a few hours of work, look, my bag is starting to really come together. I'm so excited to see what it's gonna look like. Now it was time to assemble the purse. I had already finished a lot of the decorative stitching, and I'm glad that I did because this would have been so hard if I did not do the decorative stitching first. So next I needed to add piping in between the seams of the sides. That way it would have a nice little decorative edge and a little bit more fanciness, and it would help hold the shape. In your Popsewing DIY kit for this purse, you get enough cording and cording cover for the side seams and the bottom hem of the bag. I don't know if it's a hem, but the bottom like circumference of the bag, you have this really cool piping detail. And they give you enough material so you don't have to stress about it if you cut it wrong, and it's totally okay. They actually want you to cut more than you need and then cut as you go. So it's pretty nice that they factored this in. Oh my goodness. So all the sewing is done, and now it's just time to flip my purse inside out. I'm very close to finishing this project. I just have to shove it inside out, and then there's just a few more things I need to do. While my purse looks like it's finished, I still have to add the inside pocket. Something that they recommended to do before adding the pocket is making sure to shape the bag properly. That way it's easier to add the pocket on the inside. We still have a little bit of decorative stitching to go as well around the top of the purse. My final step is to add the pocket and the top stitching detailing on the front of the purse. Then I'm ready to rock it out! Did you see my lovely purse? Oh, why thank you. I made it. He's so excited too. This is a Popsewing purse in bicolor peacock blue. Feel free to check it out in the link down below. It has 2 straps, by the way. I could take this one off. Ooh, do you like it? I love it too. Wonderful. I absolutely love my Popsewing DIY purse. It was amazing that they had all the pieces pre-cut. All I had to do was assemble. So using a Popsewing DIY kit, it doesn't matter if you are a sewing master or a sewing novice. Check them out in the link down below and use my affiliate code for a discount. Many thanks to Popsewing for this sponsored video. I love my purse, and remember everyone to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!